I'm recording. Now let us start with Pranam Mantra. So those who know Pranam Mantra of Bhagwan Sri Ramakrishna Dev, let them repeat with me. All right? So
okay, Maharaj.
Get ready. Ready?
No, sir, I am not from Pakistan. Maharaj,
And lower your hand. Sir has told you to lower your hand. Sir बोला जे lower करते hand गुलो.
Sir, I am
Ready?
not from Pakistan.
Ready? I am just starting the mantra. You please also come with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Om. Thapakaya cha dharmasya sarvadharma আচ্ছা শোনো যারা জানে তারা একটু দেখবে যে আমি যখন বলবো তারপরে তারা ওই লাইনটাকে বলবে কেন যারা জানে একসঙ্গে বলে আগে মানে যারা বলতে যাচ্ছে তাদের সঙ্গে একটু
ইকো হচ্ছে স্যার ইকো হচ্ছে অনেকদিন আনমিউট করে আছে স্যার তার জন্য ইকো হচ্ছে
you unmute yourself this much you can do from your side na because when you are understanding that something is getting wrong then why you are not cooperating with each other hai na so you unmute in that way সবাইদের এখন ঠিকঠাক আছে তো মিউট অল করে দিলাম এখন all right now let us start again I am repeating and now behind that you all start and when you will chant the mantra naturally you yourself will only able to hear so I am just starting please hear it properly because many of our boys they have taken it from their parents and from books they have learned it so again I am starting it Om Sthapakaya cha dharmasya sarvadharma swarupine avatara varisthaya Ramakrishnaya te namaha now Ma Sharda's pranam mantra is there Jananim Saradam Devim Ramakrishnam Jagadgurum Pade Padme Tayo Sritva Pranamami Muhur Muhu I have uttered the mantra just by breaking every places so you can also understand it is once again I am repeating Holy Mother's mantra Jananim Saradam Devim Rama Krishnam Jagadguru Pad Padme Tayo Sritva Pranamami Muhur Muhu and now Swamiji's Pranam Mantra Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Suraye Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine. So these are the three mantras. Our students must know at least these three mantras. It doesn't mean that it is in Sanskrit and I don't know in Sanskrit, so I can't learn. It's very easy. The meaning is also easy. The mantras are also easy. And by invoking their blessings, we are getting connected with the higher being. Through that connection, just as if we are connected with the Wi-Fi, we are connected with the internet, we are talking each other, we are reading, studying everywhere by this connection. So mantra is for connection, connecting myself to the higher self. Same way, mantra is for everything. Just like you know the code word of your email address. So that is called mantra and you can connect to your email box. In the same way, these mantras are invoking the blessings of God. So the way which we are worshipping God in any form, though you are worshipping in a form of Shiva, if you are worshipping in a form of Hanuman, if you are worshipping God in the form of Sri Ramakrishna, anywhere in any form, if you have faith that that person is having a godly attitude, godly personality, or that person is more higher than me, through him or her, I am learning something, I am getting protected. So those things we utter for the, just like for your own mother who cares yourself. What the mantra for calling your mother? Ma, mummy, mom. In that way you are calling your mother. In the same way, the person who is protecting you, feeding you by food, etc., by going outside and earning money for your study, for studies, for your clothes, for your AC, for your laptop, everything he tries to accumulate money for your future safety. So what is that mantra? That is called my papa, my father, my abba, my baba. In that way, we are calling that mantra as they are my very own. They are my very precious, nearest persons. So in that way, you call them, and that is called your mantra. So again, here Sojata Saha is raising his hand. I ask him that I am asking him to unmute. Sojat Saha, do you want to say anything? Sojat?
No, sir.
No. All right, then mute yourself. Now Devan Bal, he is. I am asking him to unmute. Please, do you want to say anything, Devan?
Yes, sir.
Bolo.
Yes,
Your video is not visible, so we will not talk to you. Stop it. Any other person? Abhinandan, you have raised.
Maharaj, can you see?
Devan bolo ki bolchile?
Yes, Maharaj. I was telling that Sanat sir give us notice that we have to do the project in our practical copy, less bound practical copy. So the practical copy means a white copy or ruled copy.
See, wherever you are making any diagram, make it on a white paper, clean paper, and wherever you have to write, you need some rules. Without that, your lines will go up and down. So better whenever diagram is needed, you use blank paper, and wherever the text is needed, you use rule paper. So that will be easier for you.
And all right. How will we decorate with color?
You can decorate with color also.
Okay.
Okay. So you can mute yourself. Now our boy Abhinandan Mandal is there. Abhinandan, I am asking you to unmute. Now, please come. Abhinandan, are you there? Abhinandan, are you there? Abhinandan Mandal, you have raised your voice. I unmute kore bolo. Abhinandan. Abhinandan chale gache. Chale. Aranyak Mitra is there. Aranyak bolo. Ki bolchile?
Yes, sir.
What you wanted to say?
Yes, sir. Is this eligible?
What is that one? Yes.
Sir, it's a less bound practical khata. And sir, I have not done the decoration. Is that compulsory?
No, not necessary. There is no decoration is compulsory, but your handwriting should be neat and clean.
And sir, if in the WhatsApp group it is told 3 pictures, can I insert 1 picture?
3 pictures is a maximum limit. If you need more, you can draw it, and limitation is for 3 pictures from internet, etc. Otherwise, if you can draw from your own hand, then it is good, well and good. Otherwise, minimum only 3 pictures are allowed. So,
sir, can I do only one picture?
All right, you can continue.
Okay, sir. And my project has not gone to 900 words, which is the limit. I have just gone to 500 words. Is that eligible?
Yes, it is eligible, but it should not be more than that. More than 900 words are not. Mara said that it's not necessary. So if anybody has little more than that, then also it can be considerable, but still you try to keep concise.
No, sir. Maharaj has told that 1,000 words is the limit and 10% flexibility in word limit.
So 9 up to 900 words you have to complete.
Sir, is 500 words good, eligible?
And then you complete up to 400 words also. You please try to get more data.
Sir, I cannot get more data even through the internet and everything.
Try, you will get. If you don't get, then all right, you don't feel any apology or like that. You complete the homework and submit it. All right.
And sir, to which address will I submit?
Your school address is there.
And sir, will I submit it to the headmaster's office?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And now Agni, who is there? Agni Jyoti. You are Agni and also Jyoti. Wherever Agni is there, automatically Jyoti comes. So,
sir, can I say my problem in Bengali?
Your class is English medium.
Okay, sir, I can tell in English.
So,
sir, you told that whenever drawing comes, we have to draw in white page. But yes, how can we draw how can we get the copy which have both white and ruled pages?
So it is this work is from your end. You have to search for that. You can take the A4 size paper. It will be available to your father. You can ask him for the clean that paper and then you add there.
Okay, sir, I will try to find it.
All right. Now any other person.
Projects and sir, the copy which
who is talking? I could not understand. Who is talking? Ayushman. Agni Jyoti. So where you have left, I could not understand. Bolo. Once again.
Sir, I am telling that the copy Ayushman showed that time. Is that correct? Can we get right in that type of copy?
What Ayushman had showed, I don't know. Where is the Ayushman? Tell him to show me that copy. কোথায় আয়ুষ্মান? হ্যাঁ
স্যার আমার পাশেই।
হ্যাঁ কোথায় আছো? স্পটলাইটে চলে এসো।
স্যার behind.
দেখাও where are you? What copy you have? Ayushman, what copy you have? Show me. So we are not able to hear you. Where are you?
Sir, here is Ayushman. After me.
All right. So when this person is going to. So Ayushman, now you start. Ayushman, কিছু বলছিলে?
না মহারাজ, আরণ্যক দেখিয়েছিল, আমি কিছু করিনি, আর তার থেকে আমি খাতা দেখাইনি। আর আমার একটা কথা আছে, বলছে আমাদের স্কুল গ্রুপে যেহেতু বলা হয়েছে যে A4 সাইজের হোয়াইট পেজেস, তার জন্য আমি দুদিকেই হোয়াইট পেজেস ইউজ করেছি, তাহলে হবে?
হবে বিলকুল ভালো করে করো।
ওকে,
তোমাদের যদি মানলো পেনটা ঠিক থাকে, যদি আর পার যদি তুমি A4 সাইজে এক সাইডে লিখবে আর অন্য সাইডে যদি মানলো ওটা ছাপা পড়ে যায়, তাহলে তো একটাই পেজ করবে, है ना? You use your common sense that if another side is getting the impression what you have written on the particular first page, then you don't use the back side of the A4 size. So now let us see, there are so many hands raised. I don't think so that you are now asking if you ask the same thing, please down your hand, and if there is something new, then only you should ask. So let us ask Amrish, what you want to say?
Yes, sir. Here in instruction, it is written information from other sources. all these references must be quoted properly. Means after a line or after a page, you have to write the references. Or
In the end. In the
Okay,
end.
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you. That was my
All
problem.
right. Who is the another person now? Abhinandan Mandal to hoye geche, Sojat Shah hoye geche, Sagnik. Sojat কিছু বলছিলে? আলাদা কিছু সেম জিনিস যদি কথা বলো তাহলে আমি কথা বলবো না। নাও বলো।
মহারাজ বলছি যে সবকটা মানে আমরা কি প্রিন্টেড ড্রয়িং লাগাবো না সবকটাই হাতে আঁকতে হবে? না
না, তিনটে প্রিন্টেড ড্রয়িং করতে হবে। অলরাইট, নাও ওয়্যার any the person?
মহারাজ আরো প্রশ্ন।
কত প্রশ্ন আছে? তিনটে চারটে? আচ্ছা বলো।
না মহারাজ আর একটা আছে।
বলো বলো।
মহারাজ বলছি যে আমরা মানে স্যার মানে কি সোর্স থেকে আমরা নিতে পারি?
তোমার কাছে সোর্সের কমি আছে? যত বড় ইন্টারনেট বাজার তোমার।
আমরা কি ইন্টারনেট থেকে নিতে পারবো?
ইয়েস স্যার, আগে বাড়ো। হয়ে গেছে।
ওকে মহারাজ, থ্যাংক ইউ।
এই কথাটা কতবার জিজ্ঞেস করে নেওয়া হয়েছে। আরো কি আছে? আপনি যদি
আর লাস্টে
you completed your you're asking or something more is there?
মহারাজ আর একদম লাস্টে আমাদের ওইগুলো লিখে দিতে হবে কোন সোর্স থেকে নিয়েছি।
এই প্রশ্নটা করে নেওয়া হয়েছে, আমি বলে দিয়েছি। দেখো ইউ আর let us save the time. এখন কি আছে? তমগ্না বলো, what you want to say?
Yes, sir. Sir, the practical copy that is less, but sir, I bought this copy. But sir, the pages are not perfect A4 size. That is a little.
Yes, I know. This is very ideal. With this guy, our Tamogna is doing is a wonderful, ideal way of working for any project. You see, he has purchased this one, and at the same time, now he is going on that, because in that particular khata, you can have one side blank and one side ruled, isn't it, Tamogna? Tamogna's video has paused. All right. Now